uZikalala uthi nakuba amaphoyisa ayejutshelwe endaweni ezihlukene kodwa wakwazanga ukunqanda lezi ibhelu ngenxa yokuthi abantu ababeyingxenye yazo babe baningi kakhulu.
Overstretched and overwhelmed with no means to deal with the situation.
Uthi ngabe usengezimithiyo uma engathi kwakukhona abantu ababeyalele amaphoyisa ukuthi adembesele.
At no point I got a message that says they were instructed not to act. And I would like Miss Melina Vanessa to qualify that statement.
Lufakaza utshele ikhomishana ukuthi lukhona usizo lwakhishwa ihhovisi lakhe ukwelekelela isuluza lezi ibhelu.
As government, we've intervened to support the families. We try to ensure that we support them in terms of burial cost and everything. Of course, that is not a reparation. We ensure that also we embark on a program to ensure coexistence of the affected communities.
uZikalala uthi okunye kwacasula abantu ngokuqashwa kwabantu bangaphandle kwezwe.
The hiring of non-South Africans in many other industries, like in the hospitality industry, remain a sore point to many South Africans and a threat to peace and stability in the province.
uDavid Makhura uthi abantu ababeyingxenye lezi ibhelu kwakusobala ukuthi babulawa indlala.
A lot of what was looted in Gauteng was food, highlighting in many instances the desperate conditions.
NginguCalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC.